Hello guys, what's up? This is your boy Sumit Charismatic. So currently the Epic Games sale is going on in which they are giving huge discount to some of their big titles including GTA 5, RDR2 as well as Death Stranding, and this sale is going to end on 23rd September, which gives you around 8 to 9 days to make use of this sale. So first of all, we'll look at GTA 5, and also we will see what all payment options are available if you are planning to buy any games from Epic Game Sale. What are the payment options like debit card, credit card, what all payment options are available. So first we are looking at GTA 5, and at GTA 5 you are getting around 50% discount for those people who haven't made use of the free game sale which was going on, in which GTA 5 was free and they haven't claimed it. I think this is a good deal for them. They're getting around 50% discount and the game would be available at mere $12.49. So that is a good discount. Moving on to RDR2, currently RDR2 is available on the Epic Game Store, which if you pay it, the game would be priced around at $30 and you're getting straight 33% discount. And also on Epic Game Store, you can get a $10 coupon. I think that's the offer they're giving. So if you roughly apply the coupon to it, this game would be available to you in $20. So I think now for currently when RDR2 is not free on Epic Game Store, this is the best deal you will be getting, a straight 33% discount, and when you apply the coupon $20, this game would be right on your game library. And then looking on to the next game, which is Death Stranding, which was still priced very high around $55. It's a huge high price game, and they haven't mentioned any edition standard or any other edition, just one game name is mentioned here and the price is around $55. You will be getting a 25% discount and the game would be available to you in $41.99. Now the best thing I liked is GTA 5 and RDR2. Death Stranding is still a huge price, so $41 is still a huge price. Now only RDR2 and GTA 5 are the best deals you'll be getting on this Epic game. So this is my Epic Games launcher. Let's try to buy Red Dead Redemption 2 and see if I can apply that $10 coupon and what all payment options are available when we go into the buy section of this game. So loading your order. So here it is. You can see the game is available at $20 when you apply that $10 discount, and so many discounts have been added. So this game would be available to you in just $20. I think for all those people who are looking for Red Dead Redemption 2, this is the best time and this is the best offer you can get, because you have the Epic coupon of $10 being applied to you, which I think is expiring on 11/1/2020, and you can see the game price around $20. And only two payments methods are available: credit card and PayPal. Debit card, I think for Indian users it's not available. So if you do not have a credit card, I highly recommend PayPal. Setting up a PayPal is very easy. I have also set up a PayPal. You just have to link your bank account, any bank account you can link with PayPal, and PayPal is the best. You can get lot many offers from PayPal also. So I think this is the best deal, $20. We never know when RDR2 will be free on Epic Game Store, but till now on 14th September till 23rd September, this is the best deal which you will be getting on RDR2. So I highly recommend that you go out and buy at least this game. Now suppose for GTA 5, let's see if we can apply this coupon on GTA 5, will that be available in $2? Let's see. So here it is, GTA 5. Now as you can see, it's showing owned because I think I claimed this game when this game was available free, so I cannot buy it again. So if you can apply the $10 coupon here also, I think this game would be available at $2, $2.49. So best sale for GTA 5 and RDR2. I can see this is the best sale going on. So highly recommend these two games. All the decision is up to you whether you want to utilize this or not. But setting up a PayPal is very easy for all the Indian users. I got few messages on Instagram where people were asking me that they want to set up a payment method. Go for PayPal if you do not have a credit card. At least Epic Game Store is giving us that option, because EA Origin is only credit card is available. So this is the best deal going on. Make use of this. On RDR2, hopefully it will become free after this sale or maybe some after time. But till now, this is the best deal you can get for RDR2. Go and get it. Bye bye. Take care. Keep supporting. Keep loving. Keep gaming.